All right, so what we're going to talk about today is how to find a mean from a frequency distribution. So let's go ahead and real quick write a frequency distribution down so that we have one to use in an example. So we're going to use a score, and the first category is going to be 1 through 5. The second one is going to be 6 through 10. Third one is going to be 11 through 15. Okay, and let's suppose we have a frequency in each category, and in the first category, so we're going to label frequency as F, and let's say we have two scores in the category of 1 through 5. We have 4 scores in the category of 6 through 10, and 4 scores in the category of 11 through 15. So if we want to find the mean of this frequency distribution, the first thing that we're going to have to do is find the class midpoint. Of course, the class is referring to the score of 1 through 5, 6 through 10, 11 through 15. The easiest way to find the class midpoint, and we'll just go ahead and label this midpoint real quick, and we'll call midpoint X. The best way to find the midpoint would be to add the first and the last number from each category. So the score of 1 through 5, if you want to find the midpoint of that, you're going to add 1 and 5, which is equal to 6, and then you're going to divide all that by 2. So 6 divided by 2 is 3. 6 plus 10 is 16, divided by 2 is 8. 11 plus 15 is 26, divided by 2 is 13. The next thing we're going to do is find F times X. So we're going to multiply the frequency in the midpoint. So 2 times 3 is 6. 4 times 8 is 32. 4 times 13 is 52. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to find the sum of all the frequencies. So we use this symbol to find the sum. The sum of the frequency is equal to 4 plus 4 is 8, plus 2 is 10. So the sum of the frequencies are 10. Then we're going to find the sum of the frequency times the midpoint. So the sum of F times X. And we're going to label it like this. Sum, parentheses, F times X is equal to 52 plus 32 plus 6 is actually 90. And in order to find the mean of this equation, what we're going to do is use the formula. So X bar is equal to the sum of F times X divided by the sum of F. That's going to equal 90 over 10 is equal to 9. So the mean of a frequency distribution, the mean of this frequency distribution is equal to 9.